Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn A for apple, B for ball. So kids, let's start the video. Brown color. A for apple, A for apple. ये है A for apple, A for apple. Yellow color. B for ball, B for ball. ये है B for ball, B for ball. Orange color. C for crown, C for crown. ये है C. Green color. D for doll, D for doll. ये है D. Brown color. E for elephant, E for elephant. ये है E for elephant, E for elephant. Yellow color. F for football, F for football. ये है F for football, F for football. Orange color. G for girl, G for girl. ये है G for girl. ये है G for girl, G for girl. Green color. H for honey, H for honey. ये है H for honey. A for apple, B for ball. C for crown, D for doll. E for elephant. F for football. G for girl. H for honey. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.